guys, we got a package from Walmart.
Let's see what is it, right?
Let's see what it is, right? You got it, Sophia? What's the matter?
I said, whoa.
You got it? Here it is.
Wow.
Look at, ooh, we got some cleaner that came with it. Here it is.
Whoa.
Here's the cord, then it has some pieces here. And it came with the little brush and then a little deep clean and neutralize. So we are gonna test it out.
My fingers.
Here I am spray painting our outside furniture. I wanted to brighten them up a bit. They were a darker color and they're pretty old. So I just took some of my gray spray paint we have at the house and spray painted them gray, and I love how they look now. Before, see the roots? We are gonna have a major hair transformation in about an hour. Say goodbye to this. My hairdresser's coming to my house and I cannot wait to get rid of this mess. So I will show you the big transformation. Here's the length. We're gonna cut some of it too. It got pretty long. So here it is. How much should I cut off? I will show you the results when it is done. Here is the finished look. We got all the dark roots off and we cut about 2.5 inches off. So it feels amazing. I curled it a little bit and it just feels like so much more body than I had and not as just straggly. And thin and damaged. I love it. This is it. We did it. We did it. Here is one of the dresses that I bought at Primark. It's very long. It goes to the knee. And it's really cute if you want to wear like a little jean jacket with it. I have this. You just put it right around. But I really love this one.